Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to share with you my January Glamigo box. So I have received my January Glamigo box, which is the first subscription box of 2018. So I'm going to share what all I got in the January Glamigo box. So if you're interested what I received in my January Glamigo box, please keep on watching. So this is the box which I have received this month, which says no resolution. So this is the box. You can see it is very cute, where a few girls are playing like the Wonder Girls like types, and here are few resolutions mentioned, which says no iPhone X, get him, no red lip, size 0, lose tummy, gain weight. These are the resolutions which we don't want to do this year. So yeah, the box is really cute and quirky. So once we open the box, this is how I can see in the inside. So this time it comes with only one card which says all the products and their prices. So I will take you through all the products and the prices, and these are the products which we receive. Again, we receive 4 products. So the first product, which is one of my favorite product for this box, is the Bio Bloom Skincare Face Oil. So this is the facial oil. I literally love facial oils. I use every single day facial oils. Few I have shared in my videos also. If you want to see a complete video dedicating to only facial oil, I can definitely do it. Just comment down below, I'll do it for you guys. So this is the facial oil which we received in the Glamigo box. The best part is it costs rupees 14.99. So this only takes a lot for this box what you pay. This by the way, I will list down at the side all the prices of the boxes as per the subscription box, and also I will link the website down below. You can just click on that link, and if you want to order a box for you or subscribe for a few months, you can go ahead and do that. So coming back to the product, this is the skincare face oil, which is age defining and radiance booster. This is a 15 ml bottle, and I was really amazed seeing the ingredient list in this box. Truly speaking, I have used this oil for 3 to 4 times, like few days, and I am in love with this oil. It is so good. My skin is generally very sensitive and some products doesn't suit me, so I am a little skeptical trying out new products. I try for my skincare, I try to stay in my comfort zone, but in seeing the ingredient list in this product, I give it a try and I am in love with this. I think after I go through this oil, I'm going to repurchase this. That much I love this oil. So let me just read the ingredients which caught my eye so much. It has apricot kernel oil, carrot seed oil, which is very good for the skin, rosehip oil, very good for eliminating blemishes and all, geranium oil, lemon oil, very good again for anti-aging properties, reducing blemishes, frankincense oil, which is also very good for brightening your face, reducing dullness, then rosemary, vitamin E, and primrose, evening primrose. I'm not sure of that, but this is such a good oil. I would highly request, if you want to try a good quality oil, facial oil, just order this box. You will get a bonus few products with this facial oil. So I really love this oil. So yeah, this was for 14.99. So the next product is lip gloss. This lip gloss is from Bella Voste, which I have received a lipstick in my, I think, November box. So I have done 2 more videos for my November and December box, which I will link in the I button. So if you click here in the I button, you can see my other videos if you're interested. Yeah, so this is the Bella Voste lip gloss packaging. The price of this is 599 rupees, and I have selected the shade, just a minute. I have selected the shade True Tan. This is a nice tan color. I really love nude shades. So yeah, this you can use it on any of your lipsticks, and also you can apply as it is in your lips. And this is a very good brand, formulated in Italy. So yeah, Bella Voste's lipsticks are generally really nice. The packaging looks really pretty. The packaging is really classy. So yeah, this is the color. Very nice brown shade. I love this kind of brown shades. So the next product is Natural Bath and Body Grapefruit Vitamin C Nourishment Cream, which is for 220 rupees. It is a face cream moisturizer for face with vitamin C. This brand I have used for this brand. I have used a face pack of this brand and I really liked it. It has vitamin C, and yeah, it has grapefruit and vitamin C. As we all know how much vitamin C is good for our skin and our health, so this is a very good product. I am yet to try this. This smells of grapefruits. This has a very nice fruity scent. So yeah, this is the grapefruit vitamin C moisturizer, which says for lighter, whiter, brighter face. The last product is, you either get a skincare or a makeup product, so which will be up to 350 rupees. And I got a shower gel. The shower gel is for 189 rupees. This is the McAfee shower gel. So I have heard very good things about this brand, and it smells so good. Oh my god, it smells very fresh. And yeah, shower gels are always good thing. It is in a 50 ml bottle, paraben free natural product. Yeah, shower gel we all use in every single day. So yeah, these are the 4 products which we got: the facial oil, the lip gloss, the vitamin C and grapefruit moisturizer, and the shower gel. These are the 4 products which we got in our January Glamigo box. So yes, this is all for this box and also for this video. If you have enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also hit that notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I will see you all very soon. Till then, take care. Love you all. Bye bye.